Most people think making money online is complicated. They think that you need tech skills and thousands of followers for some secret strategy. But this is the truth. Making money online is actually much simpler than most people realize. In this video, I'm going to break down the simple steps that beginners are using in 2026 to start building digital income online, even if they're starting from scratch. If we haven't met before, my name is Christy, and I actually walked away from my teaching career after spending years working 8 to 16 hours a day in the classroom. And whenever I came home, I had some questions that many people have today. I thought, what in the world can I do online that actually is legitimate? Just like many of you probably are right now, I bought the programs, I bought the courses, and I tried different things. But what I didn't understand at the time was how the online income actually works. Once I understood the system behind it, everything started to make a lot more sense. So, the truth about making money online, a lot of people make this look so complicated. They talk about the algorithms, the funnels, the strategies, the tech tools, and people get so overwhelmed before they even start. But when you break it down, most successful online businesses follow a very simple three-part system. The three-part system beginners are using, part one, is content. Everything starts with content, my friend. Content is simply sharing ideas, values, experiences on social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, you name it, all of those social media platforms. The goal is not to sell. The goal is to attract and help people solve problems. And when people resonate with what you're sharing, they begin to follow you. They begin to trust you. And then they begin to pay attention to what you're teaching. Part two is the email list. That's the second step, is building an email list. This is where most beginners make the biggest mistakes. They try to build their businesses only on social media. But what if the social media platforms can change at any time? And your email list is something that you actually own. Email allows you to build relationships. It provides value. It answers questions and it shares opportunities. And over time, it builds trust. And then part three is our automation. The third part of the system is automation, and it is absolutely the easiest thing ever if you understand it. Automation is what allows people to build businesses without working all day long. Automation systems can send your emails out automatically, deliver information to new people, and it can guide people through the learning about your offer. Instead of you answering the same questions over and over and over, staying in DMs or messaging family and friends, this system does the work for you. And this is where the leveraging happens, how the whole system works together. So the full system looks like this. Social media content attracts attention. Attention leads people to join your email list. An email builds trust, and then the automation helps people guide toward those solutions. It's the same structure that many online businesses uses today. Once you understand this system, making money online stops feeling like it's so confusing. Why this is so powerful? The reason this model works so well is because it's simple, it's repeatable. You don't need to chase trends. You don't need to constantly reinvent things. You simply focus on creating helpful content, building relationships, and allowing the systems to work for you in the background. The biggest mistakes that I see beginners make, the one that I see a lot of beginners make all the time, is they try to do too many things at once. They try to do the drop shipping or do the crypto or do the day trading or do affiliate marketing or do digital products all at the same time. But success online usually comes from focusing on one system, learning it well, And that's why digital skills matter today. The world of work is changing so quickly. Layoffs are happening, industries are shifting. But the one thing that continues to grow is digital skills. Skills like content creation, marketing, communication, automation. These are the skills that allow people to create opportunities for themselves. So I want to encourage you today. If you're someone who has been curious about building income online, but you've been unsure where you want to start, just know you're not alone, my friend. Everyone starts exactly where you are, learning, asking questions, and taking small steps forward. If you'd like to learn more about how this works step by step, I actually have a free community where I share daily training and guidance. It is called Building Digitally with Christy, and it is an app on your phone. And it's also linked below here that you can just click and join. Inside the community, I share simple steps beginners can use to start learning these digital skills. I'm so excited to see you on your digital journey to success as well. So, if this video helped you in any way, would you just please share the video, subscribe to my channel, and come join us in our free community because I would love to help you and guide you on your journey to success as well. Have a blessed one, my friend. I will see you on the next one.